Okay, this is a quick, easy one this week. It's my pizza sauce. So let's get to work.
I'm going to mix up some of my Italian blend seasoning to begin with. For details on that, you can find my seasoning mix video. But I'm just going to toast up some of these herbs and spices. Got some tomato sauce. Some of my toasted ground seasoning. Some dried onion flakes. Some Italian seasoning. Crush that in my hands there. A little garlic, granulated garlic, and some liquid smoke. And a little bit of black pepper. And some Cavenders. And a little 3 cheese blend. We'll just mix that all up and let that sit and the flavors meld. Oh yeah, and a little Parmesan cheese. I'm using some pre-made crusts, and I'll just slather some of the pizza sauce on there. And then we'll add some shredded mozzarella cheese. Lots of sliced pepperoni. Of course, you can top these however you want. I just like to load these up with all the toppings I have. This is some Canadian bacon. And we've got some sliced black olives. Try and even those out there a little bit. Some sliced mushrooms. Then I'll top that all off with some more shredded cheese. A little bit of the shredded cheese blend. And just a little bit more seasoning, toasted seasoning mix. And those will go into my toaster oven at 450 for about 10 to 12 minutes. Or I could throw them in a regular oven for about the same time.
So as you can see, that's pretty quick and easy. Just mix it up. Best to mix it up the night before to let the flavors all meld together. but you can mix it up like right before you use it too. I did this as a quick after work throw together meal, so I used pre-made crusts, which are great, but you could go back several episodes and find my sourdough pizza crust, and this is excellent on those breads. So this is a sauce I've been using for quite a while. I hope you give it a try. Until next time, thanks for watching.